Finding the right set of books to complement your child's educational need can be very challenging, especially when you have a tight schedule. Today, I will highlight some fantastic book series from Chelly's Bookazine that will make learning exciting for your kids. Let's jump right in. Here I have Danny the Dragon. It's a book with a lot of illustrations, illustrated by Peter Cottrell. Well, Danny the Dragon is a book about a dragon, some villagers, a salesman, and a gang of armed robbers. Here also, from the Osborne series, we have a book that talks about inventions. This book would actually teach your child about the histories of inventions and their usefulness. Here also with me is titled The Little Mermaid. This book combines good stories and great imageries, and I bet you this book will surely excite your child. Here we have the Millie Molly book series. Each title inculcates a specific value in a child and builds moral and character. This book series is developed for children between the ages of 4 to 8. Here with me is Millie and Molly Help the Animals. This particular book teaches children about animal rights. Here with me also is Millie Molly and the Magic Muffins. This book teaches our children the importance of good nutrition. Here also with me is the Millie Molly and the Three Odds. This book teaches our children how important exercising is to our health. The Read It Yourself with Ladybird book series is a step-by-step guide to reading success for every child. Here is an interesting story about Anansi and his friends. The animals will not play with Anansi or Anansi's children until something happened. Do you want to find out? Here is an interesting story about the amazing trains. This story tells you about the different types of trains, the steam trains and those trains that goes underground. Your children will definitely like it. Here is an interesting book that your children will love. Talks about wild animals. The cheetah, the elephant, the lion. This book teaches your child the different characteristics of this animal. They will definitely love it. Educational experts suggest that incorporating these books into your child's routine can greatly enhance their learning experience. So, if you're looking for high-quality educational books that your kids would love, that fits seamlessly into your child's learning style, check out this fantastic series from Chelly's Bookazine. Contact us now. Do you want more book recommendations for your children? Check out this video here. They are going to love it.